Well, first no heat of the day. Let's see what it does. Well, acting like a flame sensor. Let's get a quick reading on it. Oh shit, look at that. It's just jiggling in there. Well, it's not reading anything at all. It's not reading anything at all. But it's all jiggly wiggly in there. Let's get it cleaned up. That's weird. Doesn't look that dirty neither. Let's try it again. See if we get a reading. That was weird. Flame sensor just barely hanging on there. Filter changed. There we go. everything's tight. Check the capacitor while I'm here. Let's see, this furnace is from 04. Good capacitor. Capacitor's good. And that's all that was. Jeez, oh Pete. There we go, we got heat. Alright, let me button it back up. Okay, that one, just a quick in and out. You know, I don't know, that flame sensor, I don't know if the customer tried taking that out and putting it back in, but that thing was just sitting there loose as a goose. And that was probably part of the problem. It wasn't getting a good ground. It was just kind of jiggling there. So pulled it out, cleaned it up, put it back in, tightened it up, checked the capacitor. Furnace running okay, but
finding a route to work.
Some of those are just stupid quick in and out service calls. There's, you know, there's not much you can do. Change filter for them. You know, I didn't want to charge them a service call and just clean a flame sensor. At least check some other stuff, make sure everything's okay, so it doesn't turn around and bite you in the butt. So that's really it for this one. That was just a quick in and out flame sensor, cleaning the flame sensor. So I will see you on the next one.